tell us what makes the Donald Ross course a must-play.
Well, I mean, I think for anybody that's a true Donald Ross fan, this is true Donald Ross. I mean, you got the false fronts on the greens. I mean, elevated greens there. A little more generous in the die off the tee for the fairways, but thick rough. I mean, springtime there, the rough's like U.S. Open rough. So, if you love Donald Ross classic designs, it's a great golf course.
And the history on that course, you've been asked this question a gazillion times, so let's do it a gazillion and one, talking about when it hosted that major way back.
Well, opened in 1917, they ended up hosting the 1924 PGA Championship won by Walter Hagen, and then they held the 59 and 60 LPGA Championships. So they've held a lot of great championships there. So and then obviously coming back after renovation for the PNC Club Pro in 2010. So.
And you've hosted a lot of other great championships.
Yeah, absolutely.
Symetra Tours there currently. You have the Indiana
a lot of state opens. So they've had a lot of championships over the 101 years.
All right.
I think par 4 for me I always thought was tough is number 5. Plays so long, it's got a huge bunker in the middle of the fairway. So I mean, there's little slivers on each side of the bunker if you want to try to go around them. But also it's all sloped to the right. So if you miss it, fade that ball out off the tee, it's probably kicking off into the heather there. So.
Where are you trying to land the ball, and what do you think would be playing in for an average golfer?
You probably want to land it about 230, 235, just short of that bunker there if you're playing the black tees there. So just make sure you keep it short on that, and then still have you have a pretty good shot at getting on the green from there. But if you leave it way short, it plays so long. And like I said, there's a greenside bunker on the left-hand side there, the garden in a little bit as well. The biggest one is probably 13. People are going to remember at the Ross course. I mean, long par 3, playing over 240 from the tips. I mean, it's almost all carry, and you have a 2-tiered green there. So for that one, it's guarded by heather down the right-hand side and a bunker on the right-hand side, green side bunker there. So it's pretty. That's one people always remember. And not to be let down, a 6 is just about in the same ballpark as it is as par 3.
So let's talk about that long par 3 for just a second. So you're short, you're in one of the false fronts or bunker, what have you. What's the strategy there? Because it's really hard to hold the Donald Ross green unless you put it just right.
Yeah, at that point you're just trying to get on the right tier. I mean, if it's on the lower tier, keep it on the lower tier. If it's on the back tier, get it over the hump and get it down there where you can get a run at it. That's the big thing on that green. Finally, let's talk about the par 5 on the course that all the golfers should have a great time playing. Probably number 15. It's going to be 665 from the tips if you play it from the tips, but most people won't. But it's got the road down the right-hand side, so just a long, grueling 3-shot par 5. So it comes into a green that kind of has a little ridge in the middle of it there, but one that it's a pretty tough play for everybody. And it's guarded in the back of it. You can't be long if you try to hit a 3-wood or something. To get it there in 2, if it rolls off the back, it's going in a bunker there. There's a large bunker that covers the whole back side of the green.
The very many players really get on in 2 on that.
Not from 665, but you play the black tees. It's doable from there, for people. So, I think so, yeah.
All right. Well, Andy, any last words on playing the Donald Ross course?
I mean, if you love classic Donald Ross designs, I mean, this is one of the best I feel in my mind. I mean, it's true Donald Ross through and through.